Hey guys, I'm Aditi. Welcome to my first ever makeup video. I'm going to create my go-to makeup look just for you guys. Keep watching. First, I did my skincare with a cleanser, toner and a moisturizer with SPF in it. And to prep my face for the makeup, I'm going to be using some face primer. This is the Smashbox primer and this is the Lakme primer. Today I'm going to use the Smashbox one because this is
just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now.
For my concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline concealer in the shade medium. You can also use whatever you want, your favorite concealers. Just put little
Get
dots.
me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, oh, oh.
As you can see, my face already looks pretty dewy and fresh. I'm gonna use the MyGlamm tinted up to give
Silver,
my
no
lips and
more
cheeks
heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now.
Though this has given me a bit of tint, I'm also gonna use some blush. But before that, let's set our face with the banana powder here. As this is summertime, we really need to set our face, otherwise sweat and oils will ruin our makeup. After that, I'm gonna use this wetnwild color icon blush just to give myself a more blushy effect. And this also had some golden specks in it. This will also work as a highlighter if you want.
Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me.
Now for the eyes, let's start with the eyebrows. I'm gonna use the Etude House brow pencil.
I want you by my side, and I'll try the best I can to make you feel this way. Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I. I want you now, 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 now. Don't let me hold you now.
My brows are all done, and I'm gonna set my brows with this Maybelline Duo Shaper Brow Powder here. For eye makeup, I'm gonna keep it real simple. This is the wetnwild Rosé in the Air eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use a few shades from this to create a good eye makeup. I'm gonna take this transition shade and place it on my crease.
I wanna stay here with you. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be
my eye makeup is complete, I'm just gonna put some kajal and mascara.
Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here.
Finally, my eye look is completed. I'm just gonna use some lipstick and complete this whole makeup. And for my lipstick, I'm going to use the wetnwild catsuit lipstick in Give Me Mocha. This is my favorite lipstick.
I just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now.
So guys, this was my go-to makeup look. If you really like this video, give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.
I wanna